Imagine a young man in the depths of the Great Depression dreaming of a magical place where families could escape reality and find joy. People called him crazy. They said it was impossible. But Walt Disney didn't just dream, he manifested. He held an unwavering vision of Disneyland, sketching every detail, inspiring others with his passion, and tirelessly working even when funds were scarce and doubts were high. And today, millions walk through the gates of that very dream, a testament to what a single, focused mind can bring into existence. Walt Disney's story isn't just a fairy tale. It's a real-life blueprint for something truly profound: manifestation. Ever looked at someone living a life you admire, full of purpose, abundance, and joy, and wondered, how did they do that? Was it just luck? Hard work? Or was there a deeper, more intentional force at play? What if I told you that you possess an innate ability to shape your own reality, to attract your deepest desires directly into your life? This isn't just positive thinking. It's a powerful, actionable process that countless successful individuals have unknowingly or knowingly utilized. We're going to pull back the curtain on this incredible power and show you exactly how to begin turning your wildest dreams into your tangible reality. Get ready to unlock your inner architect. So let's demystify it. At its heart, manifestation is the conscious process of bringing something tangible into your life through attraction and belief, fueled by focused thought and emotion. It's the understanding that your inner world directly influences your outer experience. Think of your mind as a powerful broadcasting station, constantly sending out signals based on your dominant thoughts, beliefs, and feelings. The universe, in turn, acts like a cosmic receiver, picking up those signals and reflecting them back to you in the form of experiences, opportunities, and people. This isn't magic, it's energy. Everything in the universe, including our thoughts and emotions, is energy vibrating at different frequencies. When you focus intensely on a desire with strong positive emotions, you vibrate at a frequency that matches what you want to attract. It's like tuning into a radio station. To hear the song you want, you have to tune your dial to the correct frequency. Similarly, to manifest your desires, you align your energetic frequency with them. While often discussed in spiritual circles, the principles of manifestation find fascinating parallels in modern science. Psychologically, the reticular activating system, RAS, in your brain acts like a filter, highlighting information that aligns with your focus. When you deeply intend to manifest something, your RAS becomes attuned to opportunities you might otherwise miss. You suddenly see the resources, the connections, the solutions that were always there but unnoticed. Furthermore, the power of visualization and positive expectancy is well documented in sports psychology and therapeutic practices.
I train in the gym. When I'm practicing, regularly there are visuals running in my head, me dominating that bowler.
Athletes mentally rehearse their victories. Patients envision their healing. This mental training primes your brain and body for success, making you more proactive and resilient. When you truly believe something is possible, your behavior shifts, leading to inspired action that closes the gap between your inner vision and outer reality. It's about creating an undeniable inner certainty that then magnetizes your outer world. All right, you're ready to start manifesting your own incredible life? This isn't just theory. It's a practical, repeatable process. Here are your definitive guidelines, your how-to for manifestation. Be crystal clear on your desire. This is the most crucial first step. What exactly do you want? Don't be vague. Instead of, I want a better job, aim for, I manifest a fulfilling career as a digital marketing specialist earning $8,000 per month, working from my home in Dubai, with supportive colleagues and flexible hours starting by October 2025. Write it down. Be ridiculously specific. Engage all your senses. What does it look like? Sound like? Feel like? Taste like? Smell like? This clarity acts as your precise GPS coordinate for the universe. Cultivate unwavering belief. Doubt is the silent killer of dreams. You must believe deep in your core that what you desire is not only possible, but that you are absolutely worthy of receiving it. Identify and challenge your limiting beliefs. Are you telling yourself you're not smart enough, rich enough, or deserving? Replace those thoughts with empowering affirmations. I am capable. I am worthy. I am a magnet for success. Repeat them daily. Meditate on them. Your belief system is the fertile soil where your desires will either flourish or wither. Feel the feeling now. This is where the magic truly happens. Don't just think about what you want. Feel the emotions you would experience if you already had it. If it's a new home, feel the comfort of walking through the door, the joy of decorating, the peace of waking up there. If it's financial abundance, feel the security, the freedom, the generosity you'd experience. Emotion is the energetic current that carries your desires to the universe. Spend at least 5 to 10 minutes daily immersing yourself in these future feelings. Take inspired action. Manifestation is not passive wishing, it's an active partnership with the universe. Once you've set your intention and aligned your energy, listen to your intuition. What small inspired steps are you prompted to take? This might be researching a course, reaching out to a contact, learning a new skill, or simply making space in your life for what you desire. These aren't forced, strenuous actions. They are intuitive nudges that feel exciting and aligned. Each step you take signals to the universe your readiness to receive. Practice radical gratitude. Shift your focus from what you lack to what you already have. Make a daily gratitude list, physical or mental. Be grateful for the small things: the roof over your head, the food on your plate, the air you breathe. Gratitude raises your vibration, putting you in a state of abundance and opening you up to receive even more. It's like saying thank you in advance for what's coming. Surrender and trust the process. This is often the hardest part. Once you've set your intention, cultivated belief, felt the feeling, and taken action, you must release your desperate attachment to how or when your desire will manifest. Trust that the universe is orchestrating events in your favor, often in ways you can't possibly imagine. Let go of the need to control every detail. Just know it's coming, release the how, and allow the universe to surprise you. These aren't just abstract concepts. The world is filled with living proof that manifestation is real. Beyond Walt Disney, consider Oprah Winfrey. Her childhood was marked by poverty and adversity. Yet, she held an unshakable belief in her ability to communicate and inspire. She envisioned herself as a powerful voice, worked tirelessly in local news, and consciously chose roles that aligned with her deeper purpose, eventually building a media empire that empowers millions. Jim Carrey. Before his multi-million-dollar acting career, he was a struggling comedian. He famously wrote himself a check for $10 million, dated it for Thanksgiving 1995, and carried it in his wallet. He visualized the money, felt the joy of having it, and took consistent action. By 1995, he earned exactly $10 million for Dumb and Dumber. This wasn't luck. It was a potent combination of clear intention, deep belief, and focused energy. Arnold Schwarzenegger. From a tiny village in Austria, he manifested a life that seemed utterly impossible, becoming the world's greatest bodybuilder, then a Hollywood action star, and finally, the governor of California. He had a crystal clear vision for each stage, unwavering belief in his capabilities, and an unparalleled commitment to consistent, inspired action. He manifested each dream into a reality through sheer force of will and focused intention. Alia Bhatt. The Bollywood actress admitted in her interviews that she stands in front of a mirror and acts as if her desires are already reality, seeing, feeling, and living the outcome as if it's true now. In 2024, she publicly declared wanting to wear a Gucci sari, saying she'd put that energy out into the universe. In May 2025 at Cannes, she stepped out in the first ever Gucci sari on that red carpet. and there are many more people who have manifested their dream life. But while manifestation is incredibly powerful, it's easy to stumble. Here are the common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Vague desires. The universe can't deliver if you don't know what to order. Get laser focused. Persistent doubt. This is the biggest block. Actively work to reframe negative self-talk and strengthen your belief. Focusing on lack. If you constantly dwell on what you don't have, you attract more of the same. Shift your energy to abundance. Micromanaging the universe. Don't dictate how your manifestation will arrive. Focus on the what and trust the infinite intelligence of the universe. Lack of action. Manifestation isn't sitting on the couch waiting for miracles. It requires inspired steps forward, even small ones. Giving up too soon. Manifestation isn't always instant. Persistence and faith are key. The universe works on divine timing. The power to manifest your reality isn't a secret held by a few. It's an innate capability within each of us. By consciously aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your deepest desires, you become a powerful magnet for everything you wish to experience. Start today. Be clear. Believe deeply. Feel it now. Take inspired action. Be grateful. And finally, surrender with trust. The life you've been dreaming of isn't out of reach. It's waiting for you to call it in. What will you manifest first? Share your biggest dream in the comments below. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more insights into living your most empowered life.